Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you again another battle between Ardore and Roccbox. The reason is because in the last video I got a lot of criticism about the way I cooked the two pizzas. Basically people said that a comparison wasn't really possible because pizza cooked in Ardore spent only 90 seconds or less to get cooked. Instead, the pizza I cooked in Roccbox took more than 100 seconds, almost 2 minutes to get cooked. By eye, pizza didn't seem cooked to me, and so that's why I kept the pizza longer in the oven. But anyway, in order to have the same conditions in terms of comparison, first of all, I'm gonna spend up to 90 seconds. So if the pizza gets cooked in less time, fine, but won't get cooked more than 90 seconds. Second condition, pizzas will have the same size. I'm going to use this paddle, the Roccbox paddle. Third condition is about the temperature. I'll make sure that the temperature for both ovens will be 400 degrees. I'm talking about the floor, the back part of the stone. If you keep the temperature around 400 degrees, no more than 400 degrees, pizza won't get burned. This is a trick to make sure pizza won't get burned. So guys, let's catch at the end of the battle for the final conclusion. See you later! So guys, which pizza do you prefer? Roccbox or Ardore? Share your preference in a comment and thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe my channel and click the bell to receive the notifications. And remember, there's my online pizza class on Udemy, The Art of Pizza Making, where you learn every secrets I never told on YouTube. Enroll now. That's all guys. See you next time. Bye. Hey, where are you going? I was just joking. So, like this video to watch more, leave a comment, subscribe my channel, ring the bell to activate the notifications, and enroll my pizza class on Udemy, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza, on Facebook as Runaway Dough, and use the hashtag Gigio Pizza when you publish your pizzas. See you next time!